This is the Rii RM200. It's a 2.5 GHz wireless optical mouse, which caught my eye a few weeks back on Amazon. Box is very minimalistic, with an outline depiction of the mouse to the front, with just a few specifications to both sides. Inside the box, to the top, with a wireless USB dongle. Below the mouse, there is a micro USB charge cable. There's also a detailed user manual with instructions on how to use the features. Looking at the mouse, this mouse is mainly made of ABS plastic. This particular mouse comes in matte black and it has this gloss black racing stripe down the centre. Both right and left buttons are totally integrated within the frame of the mouse itself, and it has this lovely fingerprint-like design to both sides, which gives you a pretty good average grip. There is 5 buttons in total, consisting of the forwards and backwards button to the left hand side. It has a roller button with its own click, the left and right buttons as mentioned, as well as the DPI button with 3 settings, 800, 1200 and 1600. Underneath, we have that optical sensor, the scuff-proof padding to the front and rear. There's also a space to store away that wireless USB dongle, which comes in handy when you're on the go, an on-off switch, which also has an illumination setting, which does give this mouse a 7-colour breathing effect, which is very subtle and not only shows off that Rii logo, but that elegant crisscross design. The 300 mAh battery in this RM200 doesn't take long to fully charge after plugging in the micro USB charge cable via the micro USB charge socket to the front. After use and inactive, this mouse will go dormant within 20 seconds without no use. You just have to press any button to awaken. So yeah, it's very simple to use using that plug and play feature. Just simply take that USB dongle and place it into your laptop or PC. And within seconds, you'll be ready to go. Now, I've been using this Rii RM200 mouse on this EVGA gaming laptop for over a week now. Been using it for editing and gaming. There isn't much of a delay while using it. Those 3 DPI settings do come in handy. There wasn't any dropouts, and I do like that comfortable feel in hand with that ergonomic shape design. It moves swift on a wide range of surfaces, which definitely won't look out of place within an office or while gaming. Both right and left buttons are equally weighted. The rubber skin on the scroll wheel gives good grip. The overall feel is that this mouse is very responsive. Obviously the lights are a bit of a gimmick, but they are certainly not distracting. And like I said, it's good that you can actually switch those lights off if need be. As mentioned, I am currently using this mouse for editing. So this is my main mouse, and that is until something else comes along. I do rate this mouse. I do actually think it's minimalistic but very good. But if I was to rate this RM200 today out of my usual rating out of 10, then I think I've got to give this mouse a 9 out of 10. I gave this mouse a 9 because I do personally like a mouse that has a bit of a thumb rest. That is my own preference, but with a price of £13, that's around 17 in US dollars, you certainly can't go wrong with this little package. Guys, I'll go ahead and I'll not only leave a link for this mouse in the video description down below, but I'll also leave a link for the EVGA laptop. I've left a review for that on my channel, and that link should be just here right now in the top right hand corner. Go ahead and watch the review. It's actually a really good laptop if you intend to do some gaming or some performance editing. Please go ahead and smash that like button. Please subscribe, making sure you hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all my new uploads. Please share this video wherever possible. I very much appreciate it. And I'll see you guys over on my next video. Thanks for watching and peace!